I'm really happy with my IKEA Frakta storage bags. These came in a 3-pack, and as you can see here, it has quite a large capacity. These are really lightweight bags with a nice zipper that works really well, in my opinion. I'm really impressed with the large capacity of these bags. Here you can see me putting in 5 full-size bath towels with room to spare. So you can use these bags for general storage or as a laundry bag or for packing things up and transporting them in your car. It's your choice, but these bags have the capacity to do it. And you can carry this as a duffel bag or a backpack, which is really nice as well. So, if you are looking for a lightweight storage bag with an amazing capacity and a lot of flexibility in the way that you can use it, I 100% recommend these IKEA Frakta storage bags.